In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create seamless Instagram carousels in Figma. We will set up a single canvas that stretches across all your slides. Design right over the slide breaks so everything flows. Then slice and export perfect 1080 by 1080 images. Start by creating one frame that holds the entire carousel. In Figma, make a new frame with a height of 1080 pixels, and set the width to 1080 multiplied by the number of slides you want. For example, if you are planning 3 slides, your frame should be 3240 pixels wide by 1080 pixels high. This wide frame is your master canvas where you'll design everything in one place. Next, create placeholders to mark each slide. Draw 1080 by 1080 squares and place them side by side across the frame until you cover the full width. These squares won't be part of the final design. They're just a guide to show where each slide starts and ends. Make sure they're perfectly aligned edge to edge so your spacing is exact. With the placeholders in place, pull layout guides to the edges of each square. If you don't see rulers, turn them on, then drag guides down to match the left and right edges of each square. These guides will mark your slide breaks precisely. Once the guides are set, delete the squares. You'll be left with a clean, wide canvas and clear guidelines showing the boundaries of each slide. Now design your layout. Place images, shapes, and text across the frame and let elements intentionally cross over the guidelines. This is the key to a seamless carousel. For example, a headline can begin on the first slide and continue into the second. Or a background photo can span multiple slides. Keep important details away from the very edges. To avoid accidental cropping, and preview at 100% to check sharpness and alignment. Use the guides to keep spacing consistent from slide to slide, and consider repeating small design elements to reinforce continuity. When you are ready to export, don't make separate frames for each slide. Instead, use the Slice tool. Shortcut S. Create a 1080 by 1080 slice for each slide. Snapping each slice to the guides so they sit perfectly on the grid. Work your way across the canvas until each slide area is covered by its own slice. Finally, select all your slices and export them as PNGs. You will get individual, perfectly aligned 1080 by 1080 files that line up seamlessly when posted in order as a carousel. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.